Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, we're going to talk about what is the internet. So, what is actually internet is? The internet is a global network of interconnected computer networks. It's like a massive web connecting billions of devices worldwide. This allows for the sharing of information and resources between people, business, and organization. Key point about the internet. Network of networks. It made up smaller networks to connect together. Global reach. Connects computers and devices worldwide. Informative sharings. Enable the exchange of data, files, and messages. Services. Offers various services like email, web browsing, online shopping, and more. Protocols. Uses specific rules, protocols to communicate. Imagine the internet as a vast library with endless shelves filled with information. You can access and share anything from news articles to movies, from communicating with friends to conducting business transactions. So guys, I hope you understand what is actually internet is and the key point about the internet. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.